How to add stops in Waze. Now in order to add stop in Waze, you just simply need to select a driving destination, and after you calculate the route and start the destination, you just simply need to tap to go now button and you can add stops in the middle. Now in order to add stops, you just simply need to scroll this part right here and you will see the option of add a stop. Simply tap to add a stop and then you need to tap to turn on or not now any of these, and then you just simply need to select the location where you would like to add a stop. For example, let's add a stop for fuel, and after selecting the fuel it will locate all of the places where I can get fuel in the road. Just simply select the place where you would like to add a stop, and after selecting that you just simply need to tap to go button and then tap to add a stop. And this is how you can very easily add a stop in Waze. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.